Yo, I've wasted so much time, and recently I've been experimenting, okay, with planning my drawings. So I want to share with you those things. So often I would have a plan to draw for a day, but then I would spend all my time watching YouTube and doing nothing. Okay, you can probably relate to that. I would say that I will draw in 1 hour, then the hour passes, and I'm telling myself that I will do that in another hour. Now it's 10 p.m. and I want to go to sleep and the day is wasted. I am experimenting with those things, and actually I wish I knew that sooner. Okay, so I would make a lot of progress. I've been drawing for a year or something, a year and a couple of months. Okay, I'm a beginner, I guess. Like, I do those drawings. Recently I haven't done shit, but yeah, that's my simple progress. Okay, so yeah, that's how I drew. Now I want to share with you how I actually plan my drawings now, and I think that works amazing. Let's just start. Okay, so what I do first is I actually go from like the biggest ones to the smallest, like from a big picture to like a specific things. So I just start with that. So first what I do is I plan on weekly. What I do basically is I plan a week, and it's simple. I just put time blocks in a specific day that I want to draw, and that's it. There are people like that, need inspiration to draw, need, I don't know, some motivation, and then they'll draw once a week. I don't want to be those people. You probably also don't want. Okay, I like to draw every day. Why? Because whenever I draw, I get inspired, and not the other way around. I draw whenever I get inspired. I draw, then I get inspired, and I actually, go longer. So that's why I plan, and also you don't waste time for thinking. Okay, so I don't know, you just came back from school, from work, and okay, what's the time that I will be drawing? You don't know, so that's why you plan. And now how to do that? It's pretty simple. Let's say for tomorrow, okay, from 3 p.m. when I came back from work to like, I don't know, like 5 p.m. I will draw. And what I recommend is actually like, I don't know, maybe at the Saturday or Sunday, just plan the next week. So I don't know, let's say it's Sunday or it's Saturday. I don't know, for Tuesday, you will draw, I don't know, let's say like 2.5 hours at 3:15 to 5:45, and that's simple. Okay, and now let's say it's tomorrow. I came back from work. I know what I'm doing. Pretty simple, but it saves your time, so you don't waste on doing anything other than what you want to do. Now we go to the other thing, which is here. You choose whatever you want. Okay, I use this. There's, I don't know, free version, but it's limited, so whatever. What I have, you can Excel or whatever. Yeah, what I have is a to draw list. Ignore that. Okay, it's that. So here, what I have is just a to draw list. So it is like a, I don't know, bucket list of things you want to draw. For me, it's characters from games, and anime and whatever shows. So before I would want to draw like a specific game for a week and 3 drawings a week. I failed. Okay, now I'll try, because I failed, now I try to do every day a drawing. But yeah, I mean, I'll do from like today, because I'm starting like a dopamine detox for a week. I guess monk mode. I actually want to make a video about that, because I think it actually boosts your, I don't know, you get bored, you draw more. So what I have here, what I've done, so I had a goal, which for every week I would want to draw a specific game. So, and also that would be like 3 drawings a week. So that's why you see here, like, okay, first week was Valorant, so I drew Deadlock, Viper and Jet. It was Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, and now I don't want to like only draw one game, so the next week I wanted to draw Overwatch. So I drew Widowmaker, Kiriko and Sombra. And the next week, I cycled that. So because of that, I know what I want to draw. So you see, it's actually in order. Also, what you can do is actually like a to-do list. Okay, let's say here, and you want to draw, I don't know, like it's a Kiriko, I don't know, like Irelia, Akali, and whatever. You just, okay, let's say, okay, for tomorrow we have a drawing session, okay? So now we know what to draw. The first one, Kiriko, okay? Done. Next day, okay? Also drawing session, you know what to draw, Irelia. And you go like, you know, you make a whole list. And with each day you just, okay? With each day you check those drawings. I don't know, I think it's really OP to draw this. Also I have like this, so I don't know, like I have references for all the characters. No, not all, you know, what I've been drawing, I choose some references. It's pretty useful. Yeah, also other, you can have like specific, you know, I guess genres, games and stuff, whatever you want to draw. It's like a bucket list. Just write some stuff that you want to draw. Now let's go to like more in depth, okay? Planning. So we have our week, okay? In those week, we have now each day we know what we'll be drawing. But now let's plan how the drawings will actually look. And now in my phase of more in depth, let's say I want to draw, I don't know, let's Akali, okay? So now I think of the poses, expressions, like mood and stuff, and basically what I want this drawing to be like, okay? Why would you do that is basically now, okay, you know when, you know what, and you know what specific things you want to draw. It saves you a lot of brain fatigue, a lot of nerves, okay, a lot of time, and yeah, a lot of cope actually. So for me it was like, I would actually cope that I don't know what to draw, so I won't be drawing. And that was actually for months. That's why I think that this method is actually OP. You just know what to draw and when to draw. You just sit and draw. You don't have to think about anything. And yeah, how can you actually like think more in depth about that? So first thing, you actually like sit, okay, at the end of the day, you sit and think. Okay, you plan how this drawing will look like then for the next day, okay? You can also do like weeks, and that's good, okay? But you can also add like whenever you have like some free time, let's say you're commuting to work or whatever, or you're on a break, you can just think about those drawings and write them in notes, I don't know, on your phone, on your apps, and I don't know, even like a sketchbook or something. So also sketchbook. At work I usually like thumbnail sketch. So let's say, I don't know, I want to draw a character, I'm like sketching some poses that I want to draw that characters in, and that will actually like give you a lot. Also, like if you think about more in depth, you know, like what pose, like even what fingers, like, you know, what pose, fingers, expressions and stuff, it will save you a lot of time. Because often like I spend like 4 hours, I used to spend 4 hours to actually sketch. So before I didn't have any plans, okay? What I would do, I would just sit and draw, and while drawing I would think about all those stuff. So I would experiment a lot, but that costed me a lot of time. I would spend like 4 to 5 hours on a sketch, which was made at best because I didn't have any plans. Now I can like in maybe like 1.5 or 2 hours like have a full sketch with flat colors. So I'm ready to rendering, okay? So that saves a lot of time, and I just wanted to share it with you. I just don't like that bullshit when you just cope and say that you're waiting for inspiration. So if you're like me, you actually know that, so the inspiration will come whenever you will draw. Just start drawing and you will get motivated, inspired and stuff. Actually, I wish I knew those things sooner, okay? It's pretty amazing. Also, what I would recommend, okay, is you don't have to like, I don't know, right here draw. You can also like do draw, I don't know, Akali, let's say, and now you know what to draw. Also you can like use those apps and notepads and stuff. I just use that because it has pictures, whatever. It's important to have a plan, okay, so you don't cope, you don't waste your time. And thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. All my socials are below, so you know, like, subscribe and stuff. Thank you, bye.